Welcome to the South Africa portal. In this video, we will guide you on how to successfully submit the GDE Grade R, Grade 1, and Grade 8 learners application with ease. Before we continue, please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Applying for a child's school placement is one of the most important steps in their educational journey. For families planning for the current academic year in Gauteng, understanding the GDE online admissions process is essential. The Gauteng Department of Education, GDE, has streamlined applications for Grade R, Grade 1, and Grade 8 into a centralized digital system, making it easier, faster, and more transparent for parents and guardians. In this tutorial, we'll explore the steps to successfully apply for Grade R, Grade 1, and Grade 8 schools in Gauteng. Your goal is to complete the application process smoothly and secure placement at your preferred school. Start by creating your GDE account online. Register using your email and phone number. Next, log in to capture your child's details. Give accurate personal information and specify the preferred language of instruction. Select the schools you want to apply to. Aim for a balanced mix of schools close to home, within feeder zones, and a few high-demand schools. Upload your supporting documents. Ensure they are clear and properly certified. Finally, submit your application and note your application number for status tracking. Remember to apply early. Although exact dates may be confirmed closer to the application period, GDE admissions usually follow a consistent timeline. Applications typically open around June and close around July. Placement offers are released between August and October. Final placement confirmations occur before the end of the year. It is critical to apply as early as possible once the system opens, as late applications are often disadvantaged. Late applications can limit your options. Gather all required documents beforehand. This includes your child's birth certificate, proof of home address, and ID documents. Double-check everything is clear and complete. Avoid common mistakes. Submitting unclear documents or choosing a few schools can hurt your chances. Always stick with feeder zone schools and use the correct addresses. What happens after submission? You'll receive notifications via SMS or email regarding your application status. Respond promptly to placement offers to secure your child's spot. If you don't get placed initially, stay calm and keep checking for updates. Contact the GDE district office if needed for assistance. Accurate information is crucial. Providing false or incomplete details can lead to disqualification. The GDE online system offers many benefits. It's convenient, transparent, and significantly reduces waiting times. In summary, a successful application depends on early preparation, accurate information, and a balanced school selection strategy. Now, take these steps to navigate the GDE admissions process confidently. Good luck with your application. Thank you for watching. If this video helps you, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. For more updates on universities, fit colleges, nursing, jobs, bursaries, internships, learnerships, apprenticeships, careers, government updates, opportunities, scholarships, and lifestyle in South Africa and beyond, kindly visit www.southafricaportal.com.